Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and signed into the Apple ID you use for Wallet. Once ready, open the Wallet app now. This is where your card's live. Tap the card you want to remove so its details appear. Make sure you're looking at the active card view, not a recent transaction, because the remove option is accessible there. If the card was added with an issuer app, have that app handy for any follow-up verification. Once the card is selected, tap the three-dot menu or the info button to open its settings. Scroll down slowly to locate Remove Card. It's usually near the bottom of the screen. Tap Remove Card to initiate deletion. The system asks you to confirm for security reasons. Authenticate immediately using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This removes the card from Apple Pay on this device, and you'll see a confirmation message. After you confirm removal, verify the card is gone from the wallet list so no accidental charges can occur. If the card still appears, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or restart the iPhone and repeat the removal steps. This refreshes account data. If removal fails due to issuer lock or network errors, contact your bank to revoke Apple Pay tokens or to permanently remove the card from your account. Keep an eye on transactions until you're certain the card is deactivated.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.